All right, guys, Maurice Gear here back for another Power Pack Training Total Profits. Now, today, we're going to be talking about the truth about making your first $3,000 per day online. This training is going to absolutely transform your financial situation. Most of you guys haven't made money online. You don't have clients. You are completely struggling. You've been watching multiple YouTube videos. You've been in your endeavors, but you still haven't cracked your first $3,000 day, or you haven't made money. And what I want you to do is internalize this video because it's going to set you free. Most of you guys are afraid to take action. You've been watching. You don't know what to do. You've been buying all the courses. You've been on the webinars. You don't have coaching. You're afraid to invest money. This video is going to set you free. You don't need another course. You don't need to watch another YouTube video. What you need to do is sit back and internalize what I'm going to share with you. And I want you to watch this video to the complete end. Okay, it's going to be short, sweet, but it's going to set you free. Okay, I know the gurus are hyping things up, and you see all the videos and the commercials popping up of people making $3, $4, $5, $100,000 a month. But here's something I want you guys to really focus on, ladies and gentlemen. There's a truth behind how those individuals, even myself, how I was able to make over $100,000 my first year in social media marketing. It's something that most people fail to realize, okay? And I'm going to reveal it to you at the end, and it's going to completely set you free. So let's get into, first of all, ways that you can make $3,000 a day, okay? Perhaps you guys are in social media marketing. You're doing other stuff. Perhaps you don't know of ways that you can make $3,000 a day. And I'm going to reveal to you 5 ways you can make $3,000 a day in these particular industries, these particular verticals or niches. And all you got to really do if you want to get more information about them, you can do searches on YouTube, or if you're interested in one of my favorites that I'm going to share with you, you can click the link in the description. I'll show you guys how to set your own $3,000 a day social media marketing business up like clockwork, okay? But let's get into the ways, and then I'm going to reveal to you the truth behind making $3,000 a day, because anybody can make $3,000 a day, ladies and gentlemen. It's all about your goals, your ambition, and your work ethic. It has nothing to do with your background, your degrees, and all of that other stuff. It's all about your work ethic. And most of you guys aren't focused. Most of you guys don't take action. Most of you guys need coaching and help, okay? But anyway, let's get into the ways of making $3,000 a day. So the first way is social media marketing, okay? Social media marketing is simply doing marketing for business owners using social media, digital marketing, okay? It's not print, it's not yellow pages. It's strictly using digital marketing, online, Google, Yahoo, Bing. It's all encompassing. You do that for small business owners, okay? And you get paid anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 a month. Okay, or even more depending on the type of business you are providing the services for. The next way is e-commerce. You can start your own Shopify. You can do drop shipping where you pretty much promote the product and the vendor will ship it to your end client. Okay, Amazon, you can get involved with Amazon. You guys can be selling products on Amazon where Amazon actually provides all the customers. You just provide the product, and if you ship it to Amazon, they'll even ship it for you. They'll have it stored in their warehouse, and when your client orders the product, they'll ship it out to your end client. All right, and then the third way is creating your own digital products. Okay, this is another neat way that I've made a ton of money, still making a ton of money, and creating my own products. You guys can create your own products and services, and you can literally create money out of thin air. Okay, you can set that product up, you can put a pay now button on it, and you can find a membership portal to actually fulfill and have your client to go into that members portal and watch your video modules or your PDF module if you want to put it in download form where people could actually read it, okay, in PDF format, okay? This is another neat way to make thousands upon thousands of dollars a day. You can do affiliate marketing where you are the one promoting the product, and when that product is sold on your behalf, the end recipient, the end owner, will pay you a 50 or 40% commission. So if the product is 1,000 and you promote that link on your YouTube videos or on your Facebook wall or your Facebook page or what have you, you'll get a percentage. And even Amazon, if you promote an Amazon product, Amazon will also allow you to be affiliate. Walmart will allow you to be affiliate. Okay, you promote the product in your videos, and YouTube's an excellent way. That's why I keep saying videos. You guys can make a ton of money doing reviews of products and services that you enjoy, and you can go and sign up as an affiliate with Amazon, and guess what? They will pay you a commission check every single month. It's another way to make $3,000 a day. You can also get involved with real estate. Okay, this is another neat way. You can flip houses. Okay, you can go and find distressed homes, find investors and say, hey, I have a property you may be interested in, and if that investor is interested in it, you be the middleman, and they'll pay you also another nice commission for real estate wholesaling. Now, these are just 5 top ways that I enjoy, and I know I got colleagues that are making tons and tons of money, and I'm making tons of money doing a lot of this to make, $3,000 a day or more or less. Even if you're making $300 a day or $100 a day, some of you guys aren't making any money, okay? But I know $3,000 a day sounds good. You could be making $3,000 a week, and that would change most of you guys' life. And guess what? In all of these top 5 ways that I pick, you could easily make over $3,000 a day, okay? And do it successfully. It's not about the shiny objects and stuff that you guys are hopping from program to program and doing all this other stuff. The secret to making $3,000 a day is not in the niche. Because notice, I could have made this a list of 100 different ways to make over $3,000 a day. And you guys are trying to go from this, that, and you're trying to figure out, how can I really, truly make the big money? And here's the truth. This is how you truly make $3,000 a day. Focus. Yeah, I know. A lot of you guys wanted the how-to and all the other neat stuff behind this and all the mechanics, the how-tos, the whys, the skills. But ladies and gentlemen, the truth of the matter is, if you want to make big money, you got to focus. A lot of you guys start a social media marketing business. You start cold calling. You start affiliate marketing. You're in real estate wholesaling, but then you quit. Okay, you don't give it enough time. I've been making 6 figures part-time, ladies and gentlemen, because I'm able to go on to other stuff. Once you get one engine revving, then you can move on to another income stream. We like to call it multiple streams of income. But ladies and gentlemen, if you can't focus on one thing at a time, and that means give it 6 months to a year to work, you're not going to be able to get to $3,000 a month, $3,000 a day, or even $3,000 a month, or $3,000 a week, whatever your ambitions are, okay? You have to focus. You have to get good at it. A lot of you guys are been involved with social media marketing, and because it didn't produce $3,000 a month, or you didn't get your first client, you went on to affiliate marketing. You went on to Shopify, and you see this video, you're buying this course, you're buying that course, and ladies and gentlemen, you're all over the place, and you're wondering, Maurice, how is it that I'm not making $3,000 a day? You're not focused. And when you focus, ladies and gentlemen, guess what? Focus drowns out distraction. Let me say that again. Focus drowns out distraction. A lot of you guys are distracted because you're not focused. And if you want to make $3,000 a day, and this is the truth, you got to focus on one thing so that you can get good enough so that people can start paying you $3,000 a day or more. That's the truth. Focus one's course until success. That's the acronym for focus. And 98% of the people online are making money is because they're not focused. They're not giving it enough time to germinate. Rome was not built in a day, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm sick and tired of newbies going from this program to that program. doing this and that, and they just don't know, and they're wasting thousands of dollars on courses. They're wasting thousands of hours on YouTube videos. They're not doing anything. You're not putting any action behind your work, and you're wondering why your bank account says zero. Is because you're not focused. So what I want you guys to start to do, I want you to pick one of those industries, and I want you to stick with it for 60 to 90 days. Then I want you to get good at it. And when you get good at it, you're going to start to make money. I want you to get good at affiliate marketing or social media marketing, real estate wholesaling. Don't stop until you make money, because you can make money in all of them. Whatever one of those industries really excites you, you can research them if you don't know about them, okay? And they excite you. I want you to stick with it. Just like when you were young and you learned to ride a bike. I want you to stick with it until you learn how to ride that bike. I want you to stick with it until you hit your first goal, so you can get your first $100 or $500 or whatever it is. If a lot of you guys haven't made any money so far online, and it should not be. The internet is the easiest. Never in the history of mankind has it been easy for you to make $3,000 a day or more. Never in the history of man is it easier for you to plug into a computer, create a product out of thin air, put a buy now button up, be ready to collect a credit card payment, and make $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 a day. Never in the history of man. You don't even need to have a brick or mortar shop. You don't even need $500,000 to start a franchise. You can literally start a social media marketing agency for less than $100, and in less than 60 to 90 days, be making $10,000 to $20,000 a month easily. Never. That's how easy it is for you to pay all your bills off, ladies and gentlemen. But you got to get laser beam focused. Now, this picture right here is powerful. It's amazing when you take a magnifying glass and you just hold it over a piece of paper and let the sun hit it. And you leave it there long enough, it'll start to set that paper on fire. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the equivalent of you focusing on one thing, and ladies and gentlemen, setting your bank account on fire. If you want to set your bank account on fire, ladies and gentlemen, and start making big money in whatever industry you're in, you have to get laser beam focused. You can't be all over the place. You have to get focused. This is what the gurus don't tell you, okay? This is what all the people you see in the YouTube videos popping across the screen before you begin to watch your favorite video aren't telling you, is you have to stay focused. Get a coach. You guys need help on focusing, breaking procrastination, and getting to the next level. Click the link in the description. I'll be happy to coach you guys to your goals of making $3,000 a day or $3,000 a week or $3,000 a month. Get a coach and focus in on that thing, ladies and gentlemen. And if you do that, you will hit your financial goals. Now, I know this video probably shocked a lot of you guys, but like I stated before in the title, this is the truth. You have to focus. You can't get rich jumping on this horse and that horse, this program, that program, cold calling one week, sending cold emails, and then doing this and then doing that. A lot of you guys don't have coaches. You don't want to buy the products, and yet you want to make the big money. Ladies and gentlemen, you're selling yourself a false dream. It's time out for playing, ladies and gentlemen. It's time to get rich. And if you guys truly want to get rich and make a lot of money, I want you guys to focus. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's the training. Hope you guys have gotten a lot of value. If you like the video, thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button. Comment below. Let me know what you guys thought about this video. If you guys need help, you want to start a successful social media marketing business or a digital marketing business, go ahead. You can sign up for a strategy session and or coaching, and I'd love to work with you guys and help you build the life of your dreams and making money on the internet, because you can truly do it. And I'm going to do more videos behind this. Maybe we'll go in depth, and I'll do some side projects and show you guys how to make money in some of these other endeavors, so you can open up multiple streams of income in your life. Okay, because I have multiple streams, but I didn't jump from this program to that program. I set one up, then I have another. The average millionaire has 5 streams of income. Okay, so you do want to set up multiple streams of income, but you got to get focused first. My name is Maurice Gear. I'll see you guys in the next training. Bye for now.